Hey everyone, welcome back to English Express. In today's video, we're going to clear up one of the most common confusions in English, the difference between then and than. These two words sound similar but have very different meanings and uses. Whether you're writing an essay, texting a friend, or just want to sound more confident in your English, understanding when to use then and then correctly will make a big difference. So, stick around as we break down their meanings, examples, and some easy tips to remember which one to use. Let's get started. What is then? Then is mainly used to refer to time or to show what happens next or as a result. It often indicates a sequence of events or a point in time. Example: first, we'll eat dinner, then we'll watch a movie. Example: if it rains, then we'll stay indoors. What is than? Than is used to make comparisons between two things, people or ideas. It helps show which one is greater, smaller, better, or different in some way. Example: she is taller than her brother. Example: I would rather read a book than watch TV. Here are the easy tips to remember the use of then and than. Tip 1. Think about time for then is all about time or sequence. If you can replace the word with after that or next, then is the right choice. Example: we'll go to the park, then have ice cream. You can say, we'll go to the park, after that have ice cream. Tip 2. Think about comparison for than is used when you are comparing two things. If you're showing which one is bigger, smaller, better, or different, use then. Example: she runs faster than me. You're comparing speed. Tip 3. Remember the spelling trick. Than has an A like in comparison, compare. Then has an E like in time, temporal. These simple tricks will help you quickly decide which word to use every time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on easy English tips like this. Join our community and level up your English skills with every video. Thanks for watching.